Imbag nga bigat mo anak ko. Kumusta ka ditan? Sapay kumata nasayat kalata dita. Dimting man ti aldaw nga kastimay sa nga balasa. Pinaka-importante ti biyag na 18th birthday, happy birthday, 18th birthday anak ko. Doreno kasta nga may celebrar at birthday sapay kumata. Naragsak karata dita. Dore ko na nga mangrugrugi ka pa lang pinagadal mo at unti-unti mo nga mabubuo yung pangarap mo tibiyag sabay ko ay tuloy mo na tati masaya at ngaramid mo kararag ka nga yung kinaapo umawat ka ti panagtarabay na kanyang kasta maramid mo at nandaw ngayon karamidin dito kasta na ko nga katidagan ti nagsaritak ka amumot na kasano ti pinagayat ni kinyam ti kapamilyam gadal ka nga nalaing kasta ket aming nga pangarap mo ti biyag ket matungpag mo na basta happy birthday, ingat ka dita, kararag ka kanayan kinaapo.
Happy 18th birthday, Neng. May you have more birthdays and blessings to come. Stay healthy, happy, pretty, and humble. Laban lang para sa mga pangarap mo. Nandito lang kami para suportahan ka. Alam kong kaya mo yan. Magtiwala ka lang sa kakayahan mo at magdasal ka palagi sa ating Panginoon. We are so proud of you. Enjoy your day. We love and miss you so much. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Balong. Love you. So, it's your legality day. Happy 18th birthday, my Rosil. Just a little throwback about your amazing life. Since bata ka, people know you as mahinhin, parang walang pake sa ibang tao at masungit. They only know the negative side of yours. In spite of that, you continue doing your very best to make us all proud no matter how hard your situation is. And now that you are already on your legal age, alam kong it will be a new step for you to realize that life will never be easy. Hindi talaga madali ang buhay, lalo na kapag tumatanda ka na. You'll be fed up with a lot of pressures and disappointments. Pero sabi nga natin sa isa't isa, we must continue living our life to the fullest. Lalo na at nariyan si Mama at Papa para suportahan tayo all throughout our journey. Thankful tayo kasi God gave us the most amazing and sacrificing parents. Di bali nang mapagod sila, basta mabigyan lang tayo ng magandang buhay. And that will serve as our inspiration in achieving our goals and purpose in life. Kahit konti lang yung andyan, masaya na tayo kasi they taught us to be grateful on the little things that we have. As ate nyo, one thing I can advise on you is to strive and always do your best shots. Kasi we only live once, so better give your best. Kasi one day, you'll be regretting why you didn't give your very best. Lalo na at ngayon, pumasok ka sa landas na kung saan kailangan mong maging matibay. Enjoy your life while doing your best, sis. Alam kong kaya mo yung tinahak mong landas. Strong ka. Alam ko yan. We're all here to support you no matter what. I love you, my baby Rosil. I miss you so much. Pray ka lang always, sis. Study well. Enjoy your NCOP. Siyempre, keep safe always. Make yourself proud. Oo, make yourself proud. Kasi kami, proud na kami sa'yo. So now, you also make yourself proud. Disregard the views of other people. Kasi wala naman silang may tutulong sa'yo. Be that humble person with unbothered feelings. You've always been like that. Kaya siguro pinagpapala ka palalo ni Lord. Because He knows that your intention was good. Happy 18th birthday, my sister. Ingat-ingat ka palagi dyan. Stay guwapo. Balong. Miss na miss da kan. Miss ko ti luto mon. Miss ko ti banding tayon. Miss da ka ti balayon. Mama, God bless.
Happy birthday, Luna Rosel. 생일 축하합니다. 생일 축하합니다. 사랑하는 우리 누나 생일 축하합니다.
Happy birthday, Nuna. Good luck. Fighting.
Happy birthday, ate. Happy birthday, ate. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, ate. Happy birthday, Ate Rosel. I love you.
Happy birthday, Rosel. Happy 18th birthday. And I wish you all the best. My prayer for you is stay focused on your studies and always trust God, always trust His plans, and believe in Him and also believe in yourself. Magpapakabait ka dyan, Neng. I pray na makakaya mo at makakapagtapos ka, and always make your parents proud of you, and even us, ang iyong pamilya. We are so proud of you. Happy birthday, and God bless you there always. Take care of yourself, and pray ka always. Pray ka lang lagi. Happy birthday!
Hi Rosel! Hi Piggy! Happy 18th birthday! 18 tayon. Which means, mabaling tayo may ikulong. So, nga tatitugan tayo pasensya tayo. Tiyanan naman nga banag. Naks! Nagsao. Amumatan si kaji inang mitoy. Hindi grupo tayo. So, ipagiging ka namin mga ibag-ibagang. Ang ganad kami. Nakastay dapat. Siyempre, mabutan kami kanya. Gaputa si katibunso may totoo man. Isublik di kaji ibagpagam. Alagam ko matapagpagimtay na nagadayo ka kanyamin. Mga ka, tiado. Dapat nagsublik ka to'y abakam di bagay. And may miss dakat, may ilaw kami. May madayo garo ni Patricia, may madayo kami. Pero, kasi talaga tibiyat, may sari-salita yung tinatahak na daan. And, nasa kalintuman nga, si kami pebarkada, nagsubli ka. Syempre, alangan mo taan padasa na kami isukat. And, nagsublikan to, banding tayo ulit, and, muna, nag-create tayo man ti memories together. Then, nakailang din na ako. Kahit kung nagsubli ka, nagkakadwa tayo, ibaga tayo kastoy ako, like me, asudid ako nagbili nga teacher, sika, asudid ka nga nanyaman tiket mo, kasama ni Patricia, kini Jessa. Sa bagay, dati kami lang matkiti. Dati kami lang. Ewan ti pumanpanaw, litugak ti pumanaw. And, nga tayo lang chaton. So daman ti problema, hindi ka mababay nag-chat. Nag-chat? Nag-chat. Hindi ka mababay nag-chat. Mamumot to na, nagtungtong tata about it tan. Basta si Kama, minsan ka lang ang chat, iwalin ko maamin. Iwalin ka maamin. So kasi kayak na iwalin ang amin nga aramid para lang focus ko di attention ko kanya. And tatlo matukam. Mutan. And nakailang end na ako. May ilaw ako, may ilaw kami. Tani, talaga sabali din nagturuan di biyag. Nagturuan di biyag. Sabali tinahak tayo. Pero still, ang barkada tayo lata dapat. And, awa nagsunsundo kanya ko no, dati lakad. Awanin di, Rosel, sundo na kagarod ito yun. Tapno lang matuloy ajay, papanan tayo. Tapilagarat ko ma, hanggang anad ka kanayon. Ibag mo, amin, imaleta, amin nga ichikam, mama, minsan tayo to ichika, no, magkakadwa tayo yun. Yun lang, kunak manan, tapasan siya. Ulit, happy 18th birthday, labda ka, mamata, at nalabda ka kan, minimiss da ka permin, I love you.
Happy 18th birthday namin ko. Ingat ka dito. Love na love ka. Enjoy your day. And I miss you so much. Love you.
I got a heart and I got a soul. Believe me, I wanna use them both. We made a start, be it a false one, I know. Baby, I don't want to feel alone. So kiss me where I lay down, my hands pressed to your cheeks, a long way from the playground. I have loved you since we were 18, long before we both thought the same thing, to be loved or to be in love. All I can do is say that these arms are made for holding you. I wanna love like you made me feel when we were 18. We took a chance, God knows we tried. Yet all along I knew we'd be fine. So pour me a drink, oh love, let's split the night wide open, and we'll see everything we can. Live in love in slow motion, motion, motion. So kiss me where I lay down, my hands pressed to your cheeks, a long way from the playground. I have loved you since we were 18, long before we both thought the same thing, to be loved and to be loved. And all I could do is say that these arms were made for holding you. And I wanna love like you made me feel when we were 18. When we were 18. Oh Lord, when we were 18. Kiss me where I lay down, my hands pressed to your cheeks, a long way from the playground. I have loved you since we were 18, long before we both thought the same thing, to be loved and to be loved. And all I can do is say that these arms were made for holding you. And I wanna love like you made me feel when we were 18. I wanna love like you made me feel when we seen.